So as you can see, this is my Sidra chain on my screen here. This is my Sidra chain. Now, I understand that a lot of you have tried to complete your KYC and you have not been able to complete your KYC. So here is what I'm going to advise you to do. While you are still waiting to get your KYC completed, go and buy and hold Sidra. Now, it's easy. You don't even need to complete your KYC before you can buy Sidra into your wallet. And for those of you that don't even have a Sidra account, let's say you are not registered on Sidra, you could buy and deposit Sidra into your MetaMask wallet or your OKX Web3 wallet. Now, look at the wallet section of this My Sidra app here. If I go over here, you are going to see that this is the wallet. The KYC of this Sidra is not yet verified. But if I go over to the wallet, you can see I have about 100 Sidra tokens. So if I want to receive now, I can click on this wallet here. I can simply tap on this copy, send it to the person that wants to send me the Sidra. Or if I even want to send out, I can simply click on this send tokens. Once I click on send tokens, you can see I can paste the wallet address which I want to send the Sidra to, and it's pretty easy and straightforward. Now, for those of you that might not want to withdraw into this your Sidra wallet, let's say this wallet here, you want to deposit it to your MetaMask or your OKX Web3 wallet, let me show you how to import it. Yes, for those of you that are in my community that are not registered on Sidra and you want to buy and hold Sidra because Sidra is very cheap now, I will show you how to import it on your OKX wallet or your MetaMask wallet. If you also want to buy Sidra, you can check the link in the description box of this video. If you didn't get from the Telegram channel, once you come to the Telegram channel, check the pin post. Note, there are a lot of scammers there, so don't respond to anybody that will tell you or come to your DM. Check the pin post. You will see my WhatsApp contact. Message me directly that you want to buy Sidra. It is available. Even if you want to buy Ruby to complete your Ruby KYC, it is available. Or you want to buy USDT, Pi Network, or any other coins at all, it is available. Just make sure that you're on my Telegram channel, you pick my contact there, and you message me. Now, let's head straight into the tutorial. So what we're going to be doing now is to head into my MetaMask. Now, I am going to advise you, don't buy and deposit Sidra into MetaMask, and there is a reason for that, and I'll show you that before I now go ahead to show you how to import it on your OKX Web3 wallet. So as you can see, this is my MetaMask here. The next thing you want to do is you need Sidra contract address. Let me allow this. You need Sidra contract address, and for this I already dropped it on my Telegram community. So let me show you. If I go over here, come to my Telegram, you are going to see a post I made here, the last post I made, and this is my Telegram community here. So you see, I already updated them that I will be doing a video on how to import, but before I make this video, I dropped this text for those that are going to understand. This is a post to my X account. Let's tap on this link right now and open what it says. So this is the post I made, and this is the step-by-step guide on how to do the importation. You can see I already dropped the contract address here, and I dropped the step. You can see step 1, step 2, and why did it take me away? So step 1, step 2, and the likes. And you can see this is the post. So if you are not following me on X, go and follow me. I do drop most of my updates here even before I make videos on them. So look at this profile. Search for Tunde's Tech on X. Make sure it is the original one, verified with over 1K followers. Search for me here, follow me. Now we are going to go back into MetaMask, and I'll show you why I said you should not use your MetaMask. This is my MetaMask wallet. For me to import Sidra, I need to tap on this plus icon here. Once I tap on the plus icon, you are going to see something. Sidra Chain has its own network. It is not listed or going to be listed on another network. It will not be listed. It is not a token that is going to be listed on, let's say, BNB blockchain, Ethereum blockchain, or that. No, Sidra Chain has its own blockchain. So you need to import it customly. So if I tap on this custom section now, for me to import it, I should tap on this select network. If I tap here, they are supposed to give me the option to input custom network, but on MetaMask here, they are not giving me the option, so they are only telling me to select from this network, and for that sake, I cannot import it. Now, if I try to use the contract address, it's not working also. There is another way to go about this, but I don't want to bore you guys. I just want you to have it easy, swift, and straightforward. So I am now going to show you how to do this inside your OKX Web3 wallet. In case you still want to do it on your MetaMask, you don't really need to create a new wallet on OKX Web3 wallet. Just import your seed phrase. But if you don't know how to import your seed phrase, create a new wallet. Now let's head into my OKX Web3 wallet and show you what you need to do and how you can use these details. Look at these details that I provided on my screen, how you can use this. So for this part, I switched to my other phone because this is where I have my OKX Web3 wallet. You can download OKX Web3 wallet on Play Store or App Store. So let me exit from this page. Now, this is exactly what you are going to be seeing on your OKX Web3 wallet once you just open it up. Now look at the top right of your screen, this little MetaMask icon there, or any other network icon that is there. Just look at the top there, you tap on it, it is going to take you to this place. Now the next thing you want to do is to also look at this top. You see popular network, RPC network, then custom network. What you want to do is to now switch it to custom networks. And as you can see on my custom network, I have Asset Chain. Asset Chain is one of the biggest airdrop that is going to be happening next year that we are currently participating on. So if you don't have details on Asset Chain, check the top of your screen right now. I have pinned a playlist here that is going to give you all the details of Asset Chain. Now click on this add network, this little yellow icon below your screen. Click on it. It is going to take you to this page. This is where you now need the details that I post on my X account. Yes, this is where you need it. Now let's head over into my X, and as you can see, I'm doing this on my other phone because this is where I have my OKX Web3 wallet. So I switched the phone. Now this is the details here. What I'm going to do now is to first of all copy this RPC URL. You can see I have copied it. Now head back into my OKX wallet. The network is Sidra Chain. Make sure you write exactly this. Don't make mistake. Sidra Chain. Then the RPC URL that I copied, I am going to paste it here. I have pasted it. Now, you can see the chain ID has appeared automatically, 97453. If your own does not appear automatically, that is when you are now going to need the one that I posted on my X account. The reason why it appeared automatically is because Sidra Chain is registered with OKX. So if you are doing it on a wallet that is not registered, you can see this is the custom code on my screen here, which you can use, and it is 2338, and you can see I already talked about it. Now the next thing you want to do is to set the symbol, and the currency symbol is SDA. So you see, let's go to symbol. I'll head back to my X account and showed you this is the symbol, currency symbol SDA. So I already included it. Now we come back into OKX, put in the symbol SDA. Make sure it is uppercase, that is capital letter. What we now need to do now is to put in the blockchain explorer. It is optional, but I'm going to advise you put it in. That is the blockchain link itself, and it is the last link I dropped here. Look at block explorer, ledger.sidrachain.com. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the link, come back here, paste it in, and we are done. So what we need to do now is to click on confirm, and it has been added successfully. Now the contract address is already on my X account. In case SDA does not show on your own, mine is showing 0. In case SDA does not show, you can now do manual importation. But of course, if you follow this step, it is going to show. What I want to do now is to now tell you that this wallet is working, and for that we are going to test it. I'm going to go into my Sidra app right now and send 5 Sidra because I have 100 here. I'm going to send 5 Sidra into this wallet and show you that it is working. So this is the wallet address. I'll go ahead and copy it, then I'll send it over to my other phone and show you how to do it. So this is my Sidra wallet. Now you can see I'm already in my wallet. Let's go to send tokens, and the wallet I just copied, let me paste it in. And remember, if you want to buy Sidra, like I've said, you could message me. Now click on next, and I'm going to enter amount 5. Then let's see, I'm going to go ahead and put in next, then confirm and wait for it to load. And you can see it is displaying here that it has been sent already, and I can click on this view ledger to view it on the blockchain. Now I'll head over back to my other phone. See this page? Let me refresh it. Okay, reason why I seen this 05.0999 because I had already seen Sidra and tested this before, if it will work, to see before I make this video. So now you have confirmed that it is working perfectly. I can also decide to send out my Sidra again. So that is basically how to go about this. I hope you enjoyed this video. And as for the asset chain, you can check the top of your screen here. I have pinned the playlist there, so you can check that video, participate in that asset chain airdrop, participate in other airdrops like this, and make sure to use the link in the description box for this video to join my Telegram channel. So you stay